everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block or mute someone on X. To block someone on X, first of all open your Twitter account. Next, go to their profile and then tap on the three dot icon in the top right corner and select block. This will prevent them from seeing your tweets, interacting with you or sending you messages. Next, to mute someone, go to their profile and then tap on the three dots and then select the mute button. Muting is a softer approach. They don't know you muted them and they show up in your timeline. And that's it. Blocking and muting are great tools for managing your experience, keeping your feed clean and protecting your online space. Remember, it's always okay to set boundaries online. Your feed should reflect what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching. If this tutorial helped, make sure you like, share and subscribe for more X tips and tutorials. Stay safe, stay in control of your feed, and I'll see you guys in the